Hey, what's up YouTube? Back with another video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Sorry I didn't say that in my last one. But yeah, go do that. I hit 300 views, so I feel like I should give y'all another video working with what I got. So we get the Ruger P95 simple takedown, okay? We're gonna break this baby down today. And yeah. So right now I got some Federal HST and Hornady Critical Defense. I riddle my bullets, so it's one after another. These bad boys. That's how I carry. Okay, let's check. Let's make sure we're all clear. Okay, nothing in there. Physical. Okay, we're all clear. So first, let's start by the first step. First step. Lock it back. Okay. You see this right here? Boom. Okay. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna put that down, okay? Where it's like this. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna push this out, literally. So I'll go like this, and just go ahead and push that out. See? See how we pushed it out right there? All right, so then just grab it out. Boom. And then I just chow. Okay. I will. Last time I went shooting was maybe like 2 months ago. So and when I did clean it, I just got a cotton, something little cotton pad and just took everything apart and has a double recoil spring, steel guide rod, which is great. I see a lot of people changing their guide rods out for steel. It gives you a little bit more weight and knocks down some of that recoil. This is a more heavier gun and more sturdy gun, so it already's not having much recoil. And y'all see that in the video when I do go to the gun range here pretty soon. So Wednesday, you should be looking forward for a shooting video. But still guide rods are always better. Plastic guide rods, yes, you get a little bit less weight, but look at it. This doesn't weigh a thing, at all. Plastic, metal is always better because it's just gonna increase your accuracy than the plastic. I've seen comparison videos of steel guide rods and plastic guide rods, and that's like the ratio of each video, basically saying, hey, steel guide rod's better. So go to steel guide rod, y'all. Get you a steel guide rod if your gun already doesn't come with it. Okay. And then you got the barrel. This is a 9mm, of course. I'm gonna be honest, and I don't have no gun oil or anything. I just been cleaning it bare, and it's clean. I mean, I could do some oil on there, but other than that, it's nice. It's good. Reliable. Barrel. Then you got our slide. Not too dirty. Could use a little cleaning. Yeah, could use a little cleaning, but this gun doesn't really need cleaning. You know, I've shot this baby. I haven't had 1,000 rounds through it, but I know it's gonna make it. You know. See those sights? Can you see those sights, y'all? There you go. Boom. Okay. Oh yeah, this thing comes out. Okay, I don't know what it is, but it's like right up in here. It's maybe a little cushion thing, but I'll just pop that right back in there. Okay, so now we're gonna put it back together. And I could also take out the ejector, but that calls for a little bit more time, and I don't really feel like doing that, guys. So I'm gonna, as an injector, you take this little tool and like go like this. Let me pop that joint out, but I don't want to do it right now. I've actually never done it. I'll do it eventually. There we go. Alright, now for reassembly. Same thing you did for disassembly. Okay. So put the barrel back in. Recoil spring back in. Sometimes it's hard to get the recoil spring back in, guys. Oh no, like, there you go. You gotta get that joint in there the right way. Okay, now that's in there. And so we're gonna line her up, okay? Also, this can't be up. It has to be returned back down, okay? Line that baby up. And then we're gonna come about halfway. Okay? About halfway and line that baby up. Okay, so boom. Okay, you got it the first time. Alright, I got it the first time, so I'm not gonna get it out. Boom. Okay. Now we're back. Back in action. That's a Ruger P95 disassembly. Y'all stay safe and protect yourselves. Don't leave your house without y'all guns. No matter what. Even if it's just to the store, gas station, anywhere. You always gotta protect yourself. You never know what's gonna happen. Literally. You never know. You never know. Stay safe.